Okay, this is the third floor. In this room here, I got a leak in the roof, and I got rainwater falling in this bucket. This one need empty, it's full. It's leaking downstairs. Here's the other part of the floor. There's an elevator here. I can't use the elevator until I get the steps up the code and the door up the code. Here's the bathroom that was done. So that allowed me to open the floor. Then go downstairs where I inherited all these books that I can't get rid of. Okay, here's the other bathroom that got done. But look at all these books. This floor here has about 5,000 square feet of books that need to go. I can't even give them away. Okay, and then there's some office spaces up here but you can't bring nobody up here the way this looks. There's a room in here. More bookcases. And these little side offices. Tried to make a little gym up here for the tenants. And here is where the roof is leaking from upstairs. Then I tried to make this a little conference room area. This is a tenant in this, he came with the building. And then downstairs, where we're using now, that is developed. Okay, so this is the entryway. This is a retail space here. Hopefully I got a tenant ready for this. And then there's a tenant in here. No tenant there. And then it's just co-working spaces. And bathrooms here. Two bathrooms. And up here. And then here's the conference room. And here's the kitchen. So this is the KSC building.